Are you dealing with a discomfort and abdominal wall hernia and concerned about aesthetic results of traditional hernia repair and a need for mesh placement? If the answer is yes, then I'd like to share an innovative solution that offers both functionality and aesthetic resolution, the tummy tuck surgery. I'm Dr. Andrew Iraniha from Surgical Oasis Institute in Newport Beach, California, and I'd like to introduce a groundbreaking approach to hernia treatment. Abdominal wall hernia can cause significant physical pain and impact your self-confidence. Traditional way of hernia repair, whether through conventional open or minimally invasive surgery, often involves the usage of mesh and in majority of cases with no regards to aesthetic outcomes. A tummy tuck not only repair the hernia but also enhance your abdominal appearance. Imagine not just fixing the hernia, but also achieving a sleek, smooth abdominal profile. By combining hernia repair with the tummy tuck, we can remove excess skin and fat and enhance your body contour. This comprehensive approach can minimize the need for mesh placement, lower the risk of hernia recurrences, and also provide lasting results. This procedure involves a carefully placed incision along the lower abdomen in the bikini line for minimal visible scarring. The skin is gently separated from the muscle up to the ribcage, allowing for meticulous hernia repair and muscle tightening. The outcome is a stronger abdominal wall and a much improved post-operative look. By folding and reinforcing the fascia, we strengthen your core, and crafting a new belly button completes the transformation of your midsection. Every patient's needs are unique, which is why a personalized consultation with a specialist is essential to ensure a tailored treatment plan and successful results. At Surgical Oasis Institute, my team and I are committed to using the most advanced techniques for both cosmetic and hernia surgeries. Your health and satisfaction are our top priorities, and we are here to support you throughout your transformation journey. For a consultation, please contact my office at 949-646-8444, and we look forward to helping you embark on this life-changing path. Thank you for considering this innovative solution for hernia repair and aesthetic enhancement.